started breaking bread with the muggles. They said I wouldn't make it, now they looking puzzled. They said I wouldn't take it, I had to go and hustle. Get the bag, it ain't never getting